In this lecture, we want to write a function which could print something on the screen, something equivalent to printf. So first we define our function. Let me name it mghprint. It would take an argument as a pointer, so I define a character pointer in here, and inside our function we use the write, which you saw in the assembly in the last module how I worked with that. So I press Ctrl Shift and T and say the manual page of write, enter that, and if you notice it takes 3 arguments. The first one would be the file descriptor that you want to write to, because you want to write to the standard output, the screen, so I say 1. The second one would be the string that you want to, a pointer to the string that you want to print on the screen, which would be the A, and the third one would be the size of the string. We already created a function which would calculate the length of the string. Its name is mghlength, which you saw in the previous lecture, and it takes an argument. So mghlength, the argument that it takes, is a pointer to the string to calculate its size. So it would be A, and that's it. So I press Ctrl O, hit enter, go to the our main file, the string.c, which I want to use the library. As you see, we have included the string compare.h. So instead of printf, I say mgh print, and then pass it the string which you want to print on the screen. Let's say I want to pass the c pointer, and I think this would be enough, so I save it. So again, what we expect is that the mgh would be executed, the c pointer would be passed as this argument, as the a pointer, and the write would be executed. We would write to the standard output, and also the mghlength would calculate the size of the string. So I exit, and we just compile the string.c and execute it. So we get a warning, but it's not important for now. I execute the string executable, and if you look, we have Python printed on the screen. We could just pass other kind of string. Let's say we want to pass something like this is exploit development course, and I save it, compile it, and execute it. And if you look, we have this is exploit development course. So you see, in this way you could implement any kind of functionality that you want. I think after creating 3 functions of comparing the strings, creating the length of a string, and also printing, it would be enough. Now you get the point at how you could create your own library and functions.